This is the 2021.5 Zinger 333DB. This features a 2 slide out bunkhouse model. It has a bunkhouse in the rear, and then also there is a front bedroom and then a middle living room. This is a bath and a half model. Okay, so you'll have a front full bath and then a half bath that is directly located on the inside of the bunk room. This has an outside kitchen. Overall specs on the unit is it's 8,200 pounds as far as your dry weight. Overall length is 37 foot 7 inches, which includes the tongue. It is 8 foot wide, 11 foot tall, 11 foot 3 inches tall, and then the GVWR is 10,400. This does come equipped with power jacks, power awning, and is made by Crossroads. And this is the new 2021.5 Zinger 333DB. Hey, good afternoon. My name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the new 2021.5 Zinger 333DB. So you'll notice it's got the new graphics on the outside. This is brand new for the 2021.5 models. It's got the new graphics, got the little cool little thing with the circle that comes around here. So it does come standard with the power front jack. You've got 2 propane tanks up front. Let's go start on the door side. While we're coming around here, you'll notice we're actually over here at Indian Lake today, at Indian Hollow Campground. This is the 2 owners of this campgrounds. Their mom and dad started this campground, and they have it now. And we're doing some videos over here today because we're got a lot of special things going on at the dealership right now. We're expanding. We're putting in new service bays and everything else. So we appreciate you, everyone that purchases from us, watches us. We are getting bigger and we're expanding, and the volume is going really well in the RV industry. So we appreciate you. If you could follow us on YouTube, RV Wholesalers, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook. We'd really appreciate that as well. Let's keep on moving over to here. You're going to notice this has a power awning. There's 2 power awnings on this model, which really, that's the biggest complaint that people will get on a slide out on the door side of the unit, is there's not enough awning space. Okay, so this has 2 power awnings that come all the way out on both sides. Both have LED lights. Comes with outside speakers that do have blue lit backlighting. You'll notice it comes ZAMP solar. It's got an extreme weather package and then also ZAMP solar prep ready. Comes with a cool little flag holder if you want to put a flag here. That's something, or a dog, like you can utilize that for like a flag or even like a dog leash as well. Comes all standard on all the Zingers. Let's keep moving our way to the back. Here's our outside kitchen. So this comes with your cooktop, your refrigerator, your sink that actually has the drain as well. And then you also have more storage for like your utensils and everything else. It does come with a TV backer here. So if you wanted to mount a TV, it's already backed. They do have the plug-ins and everything for cable and 110 power already there for you. So you can just plug right in and mount right to here. Let's move on to the back here. Got your spare tire. Does come with backup camera prep. Got a nice big window for your rear bunk room. Give you some light. Come to the off door side. You've got your 50 amp service location right here. This does have black tank flush, so it does have the head on the inside of the black tank where you can hook up your water hose, turn on the water, it sprays around on the inside of that tank there, and allows, keeps like the waste and everything from building up on the inside of the tank. Let's keep moving down here. You got your freshwater fill, your hot water heater. You've got your outside shower, city water connection, and then you've also got another valve here for another tank flush as well. Keep moving on over here. This model does have full pass-through storage. Notice you've got full storage all the way through on the unit. Again, we'll circle back around up front. See another nice big look of that new front end, the new graphics. I think it looks super cool this year for the new 2021.5 models. Just got a lot more sleeker design and look to and appeal to it. Let's go on the inside here. As we're walking by, it does have power jacks on all the corners as well as your front jack. It does have the nice solid surface steps going up into the unit with the large entry grab handle. Okay, now we're back inside in the living room here. You're gonna notice the amount of space that you have in this living room. It's really a wide open floor plan. You've got a U-shaped dinette here. Look at all the cool blue light backlighting they do on this model and out throughout the whole lines. You do have your jackknife sofa. It does have a cool little cup holder that pulls down, and then this will tee down to a bed, so you can utilize that like it's called a jackknife sofa, so it tees down like a futon would for a bed. Your U-shaped dinette also turns into one big bed, so you've got overflow sleeping out here. You notice how they've got the entertainment center directly across from the seating. Okay, a lot of units are right on an angle over here, so not everybody can see it. They've really designed this model to be able to accommodate everybody as far as viewing the television, hanging out, and everything else. It does come standard with the soundbar fireplace. It's got a 30-inch Furrion fireplace on it. It does have the nice residential bigger refrigerator and a huge pantry, which everyone really likes, especially the women. They really love to have the big pantry and everything. You notice you've got a lot of counter space here. You've got microwave. You've got 3-burner cooktop. Check out the cool little blue lighting that they're doing on your stove too, just to match up with everything. It does have a nice sink cover and a full stainless steel sink that's undermounted. And then it does have the nice residential sprayer as well. Grab that here. Let's move on to the bunk room now. There's a couple little more storage. They've really done a real good job as far as putting storage everywhere in this model. All right, let's head on back here. You're going to notice when you come in, you've got your sofa, your bunk, and this actually has a trundle mat that can be pulled out for overflow as well. That'll pull all the way out there, and you can utilize that to sleep someone as well. When not using that, you just kick that under. Just kicks right under, it slides in perfect. This will slide up on this side. And all you do is you pull that. That slides all the way over, and then you've got a hook on that side as well. And you notice you've got this space to hang out. Cup holders. Directly across, we've got a spot for you can put another television. It's already got the hookups, already got back there with wood, so you can screw if you want to mount a TV there. You've got storage. You've got nice little ducting going on through there. A top up above your bunk there, or you've got another bunk right here, I should say, and below your entertainment center. You've got a lot of room back here, so it gets a good separation. They do little USB ports back in here, so you got electronics and everything. Slide on back here. I want to show them another cool thing that about this model here. So this is a bath and a half. So you notice you've got a half bath back here. So it's nice, like even if it's not kids, a lot of adults like this model because everybody's got basically their own little separation too. So you've got a half bath back here. So if one couple's staying back here, they're good. They've got their own little room. The other couple's got the front bedroom, which is where we're going next, and then you've got your central living room and everything as well. So let's go ahead and move on up. Okay, coming on back over here to the bathroom, what you'll notice is this is a side aisle entry with another entry to the bedroom. So you notice you've got your toilet, you've got your cabinets, you've got nice glass shower doors. So there's an entry from your hallway, which is directly across from your main entry. So you don't have to track all over the unit to go to the restroom. Just walk right in the door, open up your bathroom door, you're in there. Saves on a lot of cleanup and everything for mom. You notice you got a sink in here, and there's an entry from the bedroom. So you got two entries to your bathroom, and then as you come through, this will be your bedroom. You'll notice up top here, look at the nice cool almost like shiplap wood that they do on the back to really accent it off and blend and flow and everything. You've got hanging closets and everything on both sides, his and hers. And then you have a nice pocket entry door here for your entry to separate off your bedroom. So you can go to your hallway or you can go to your bathroom and then slip on out. Let's go ahead and slide back over to the living room. So again, we went through the new 2021.5 Zinger 333DB. I'm Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. We appreciate you coming over, spending the time going through the model with us today. If you've got any questions at all, give me a call. My direct line is 937-843-4380. I'd love to help you out, go over questions, help you find a model that works for you. We appreciate your time and taking the time with us today. Thank you.